Okay.
Damn, Audrey, I'm honestly tempted to wrap you around a baseball cinch up or belt and stick you on my mattress so you can broken in at the big head.
Fish gone wild.
But since I'm here to heal, not judge, I'm going to go ahead and write you a couple of prescriptions. You'll find that this first one
Get her, Sapphire.
extra large mallet.
Shit.
The second one is for a big floppy hat that you're not.
And she is running away. She has won victory.
Have a great day.
Get her, Sapphire. Get her. Get her, Sapphire. Get her.
Oh, yeah. Your skin's all messed up. Harry,
Round two.
tired of listening to people
Get her, Sapphire.
being called fatties, dummies, boozers, losers, winos, tubbos, tokers, smokers, and jamokers. Whatever the hell jamokers are.
Oh, check them out. It's on. Round three. You are doing it for now. Until later when she gets bigger. And here she comes. She's retreat.
Now you listen to me, Betty.
Back again. Oh, she got a hiding spot. Look at that.
They just named you Chief. Bingo! Smell you later, Betty. You want me to take a patient? I'll take a patient.
Get her. Get her, Sapphire. Get her, Sapphire. Ooh, she's that pretty girl. Is the kitty cat getting you? She's like, screw this, I'm not done with that. It don't hurt now. Watch her, Sapphire.
No, it's Tom Hanks.
Cat dog war is on.
Hate me as a racist just because I thought black guy when I heard the name Hooch.
Yeah, JD, what's up?
She's asking to bring it on.
Talking about the movie.
No, baby, happens all the time.
She's inching closer.
Okay, so it was an honest mistake.
George! What is going on with Turkey? Doesn't even seem bummed out.
I uplifted his spirits.
How did you do that? Because Carla is just bothered.
Thunders.
I mean, I know it's
Thunders.
today, and I just came to use the bathroom.
Thunders.
Violating the
What's up, Thunders?
It's like she just stored there with the
She is on the nip. And there comes the dog.
Nobody can accept. JD.
She runs. She barks and run, bark and run, bark and run.
Listen, the way I cheer up Turkey.
She is antagonizing the cat. Get her, Sapphire.